Dangote entege eri mwiddulo gwa mwezi mukaaga yagisodamu ekiti yakibuliza munda.
Kale omulungi ali kwa media kino kyokola okuba ngo tugoberera nsaba kali ku subscribinga mwena mujjo maiso ku subscribinga lwaki obona obona embosi defe bambi enga tu subscribinze niganu kade oba notification bell kino kikuyamba nti buli mbosi jentayo akade kakuba kikuyamba bambi okufuna okumanisibwa nti Yolisigira Yazid yana kirungi bambi kyatereyo timwerabira nakutuwereza ku maadi mutuwereza bambi ku maadi akuba Yolisigira nsiyema emperezayo nze ni timu yange abana tubene twasibero nakosobola okutuwereza bambi ku maadi abusimu wefu buboko akuti Yazid amafuta gagano bambi tako ku mukamoto kako oba lancho oba ekyo musano oba amaadi lwaki mu babakodo tuli mayuge ku nsonga eda abantu bambi bamugema mundu abalumba family y'abantu omwenda dibagikuba amasasi era nga emundu yagiye okusirika nga abantu batano bafiirirewo abana bafuna ebisago ebyamaani. Kooti ey'amagye bambi yona kulwalira leizemu okutyama era nga obudulizi batandikire kuona kulwaliro batandikire ku budulizi obw'omukyala timujibwa Jessica ono omukyala yali omukyala ow'omugenzi eyali munumba wabulanga yena bamukuba amasasi ekyembi amasasi ono tegamuyitirawo ono amasasi bamukuba amasasi ebigere era buti atambulira ku miti mwidukira bulungi nti omukyala ono timujibwa embeera tiyali nungi bamutwala mwidwaliro ekulira eiganga bamwidandaba wabula byalema oluvannyuma bamutwala mwidwaliro ekulira eryeiwanga eryemulago era eno yamalayo emyezi nga baidandaba era nga abantu abalinga eno ku kyalo ekyebuwaya amatu gaali nga Kampala emulago nga wakati timujibwa anaira anawona wabula olw'ekisa kya Katonda bagezaako okumuwera era ono yaira engulu era onakulwaleero bamuleese okuwa obudulizi kwekyo kiyabona wabula ngono aidire ku migo ngaidira ku migo nga takasobola kutambula ng'ebigere babikuba amasasi era nga timujibwa ate eme yakobera kooti nga we byali yakati bali munumba ng'omwami ali kusala nkoko batema munumba nga famire bali kuwaya yaje okubona nga abono omuntu aida mu mulyango ayingira yali yesibye mu maiso oba kama furaji then yatandika okukuba amasasi pam so timujibwa amazi yakoba nti yamala yagwa wansinga omwosi mungi kibabitirireko era yaje okuzokuka nga iba wafuire n'abaana abandi nga bamugirireku so nakulwaleero bambi hawaire obudulizi era nga tubairewo n'agama ebyo byonna ebibairewo ng'akakasa nti omujaasi ono bambi yayita ibaawe n'abaana be era nga naye bakuba n'amasasi era nga omukyala atukobere nti waliwo enkeyana nga dekuusa ku itaka n'ebintu ebingi era ekisiza kumala mu maani n'okoba nti einuma eyo myaka nga ebiri einuma nti mbu omujaasi ono yajja yalumba ente ey'omugenzi Buyinza Isaac yebaali bagisibye yajja n'oluti oluwanvu yagisonka mu kabina oluti lwayingira paka munda mu kabina abantu bali bayingira munda mu kabina abantu balina obusungu era ente yafa bajja okugibaaga abakinda ajja okugisala nga babona oluti oluwanvu nga lwageera mu kabina n'empaana ebere y'amaani so baleetaire bino byabyo nebibairewo nga bali kuwaya nga olowooza nga oti katemba wabula ate nga nebyo ndi Yazid Yolisigira abakali ku subscribe please go ahead and subscribe, like and share our videos.
You think your family, you as you as my witness used to relate to it too. Yourself, together with your family.
Enkolagana ye with family yo ni balo. Eyafa sawe. N'abaana bo. Mwana enkolagana ki era nga kikibageita. Wakati wo
what was disturbing me?
Kyali katabula wakati wo n'omwami wo ni family yo ne baba wa Philip Mukalopati Mzee Takaba Patrick.
Sebonza wazanye kyamaani ino kyendi kyemugobeire nti zinawulira nti bamwegerera lw'ettaka lye bamugwa.
Yourself, you used to hear that.
Ekyo kyenawuliranga kyokka.
To me, I cannot tell you anything apart from what I told you earlier, that I could always hear these people that Takaba saying that they will do something to the deceased because he was given big land and they were intimidating him.
Okay, was there anything prior to that, to this incident, which had happened in your family before? On this family, was there any issue which had ever happened on you? On your family?
Ngabakali ba kama sasa. Eyo ukitaka kwa inume. Itaka kwa family. There are some things that had occurred.
Can you mention those issues to court one by one? You as a woman. Whatever issue came across.
Buli kiwabulira ku bakiwabona ko bekyaba ko kukyokyola. Osobola kikobera kuti twenonola twekobera kino kyalo boni kino kyalo boni kino kyalo.
Sobola okikobera.
I can say it out. So
can you mention?
Ensonga yene gye nasooka nz'okutegeeraku lwali olunaku lulala ssaawa ddali nsanvu obwire ekiseera ekyo nayiniko abaana babiri saamanya ne muganda wa Antony.
The first thing I can remember by that time, I was having 2 children and it was in the night. I remember Samanya and his brother called Anton.
Kaido obwire bayita omwami wange bamukoba yababuuza ati binne baani ati nfe basaaganya muzibu ki?
What was your husband?
Liyinza mudaasaiza
Where was he?
yali mu nnumba katulambaire.
With you?
What I can remember is that it was one day in the night with Samanya and his brother Anton. They came to our home and they called my husband out. Then he asked them, "Who are you?" They replied, "It is us, Samanya and Anton." And he asked them that what is the problem.
Bamwiramu bamukoba ate ente yaife ekutwire aye tukulooza tutoobe eri ku mukibali ewuweeyo ida tujje tulambuleyo okutubone.
That our cow has left the place where we always put it. But we are expecting that maybe it may be down in your land, in the swamp there. So we request that you come with us. We go and check with you.
Yabeeramu yabakoba ati nze nina ensaawa dikuze ekyo ekigo kyange mutambule mugyeyo munoonye ente yaine enzira wenja.
He replied them that it is past 10. I cannot move out. That was my ground. You can go and check and see whether your cow is there.
Gabitawo ekiseera kitolo kiti yakuva mu nnumba n'amubuuza nti ogyawa.
Do you still remember the year?
I can't remember.
Which year was it?
2010.
Was in 2010.
Continue.
So it was like after some minutes the husband got out and she asked him, "Where are you going?" He replied to her that I'm going to the defense, Kaijiwa. The husband replied to him that I'm going the defense of the area called Kaidiwa.
What was the issue?
And so many rich.
Eja kweripoti ngawakaidiwa ngaije bamweta obwire omwana wafuna buzibu era yamala yalwayo neera nabubuza nti oli bangawa yanga atindire paka wateemaani erwadi.
He replied to her that I'm going to report my soul to Kaidiwa to inform him. You never know, I may get a problem, and he even delayed there. And when he came back, she asked him, "You've delayed, what had happened?" He replied, "I've delayed because I continued up the chairman's place called Edward."
Can you mention the second issue?
Ekyaliwo ekindi kyalo kati birivumbuka yasooka ente ng'eri mu iddulo gwa mwezi 6 yagisoodamu ekiti yakibuliza munda.
Counsel, I request that you again ask the question to refresh the witness.
Robert birivumbuka era yasooka ente nga eri mu iddulo gwa myezi 6 ekiti yakimalira munda okutegeera nga kisonseka ekiti kirimu nte kuba kusamba kugisala kugibalaga nga oluti luli omwo.
Another incident that I can remember is that Robert Birivumbuka got a certain stick and he placed it into our cow which was pregnant from behind, and it entered up inside. And by the time we realized this is the time when we had slaughtered this cow, and we found this stick was inside there.
Do you remember the year?
I don't remember.
The third one?
Probably ekyokusatu.
Ekyokusatu ekindi ekyaliwo lwayirala kajiide kumulika nswa yava bulungi mu kumulika enswa wayirira waka Samanya ne Birivumbuka Robert babaka bamwekuumye okumuyita.
Another incident I can remember is that it was one day night. My husband had gone for the white ants, and by when he was coming back, Samanya had positioned himself to kill my husband.
Give the right interpretation. Say it's Samanya and Birivumbuka. Why are you eliminating one?
There were two, Samanya and Birivumbuka Robert.
Birivumbuka Zamruka was putting on a military uniform. At that time, where was he? Was it proved that he was there?
Birivumbuka Robert. No, I have a uniform damage. I was looking at Sakuna Polo, Chakasiwanti, Yaliwo.
Bashinka kasanti yaliwo muganda wa Samanya ge bamala omugema bamusiba. Ono Birivumbuka yewe yalumuka yamala yaweereza obubaka yakoba ati okusamanya Budoofu abaguyigiriza emisango leka bakusibe.
To me, why I say and I prove that he was a man is that when Samanya was arrested and Robert had ran away. He said a message or information came that Samanya is dormant. If he had accepted the cases, let him be judged.
And how long did the history take in custody?
Ebanga Samanya yamala ngali mukomera.
Samanya yamala y'omwezi mulamba.
It was 1 month that he spent there.
Another incident? Is there any other?
Any ekindi ekituukawo kyoyo tosobola okukobera obapeereko ebyo?
Ebyo.
Osobola okakasa erekooti eno watukubera ab'abalumba baleka ku lunaku olwo mu bwire obwo.
The day of the incident, 29
bwire obwo lebabakuba amasasi bantu bameka babalumba.
Nze nabona omuntu mulala teyali wano mulumba kayingirire wano mu mulyango gwe nabona.
I only saw one person who had entered in the house.
Did you see his face?
Let's see what you want to know.
Jaji bwana yere ekyago. Ni says
It's yes or no?
Answer yes, namubona oba pe.
Yabona face kuba yali yekabalinze.
I didn't see the face because the person had covered himself.
Members, good members.
When the assailant entered, and you had that blast, and the house was full of smoke, did you see any gun? Did she see any gun?
Omusibe oyo weyingira mu nyumba owawula ebikikwatuka owawula n'omwosi mu nyumba iwe n'amaiso wabonako emundu.
Sebo emundu kyagibonako kutya kwena ali kugembera ekikwatuka n'okubona omwosi n'omwatika agwirere zina nayongera kugwa.
Me myself, I didn't see the gun because according to the fear I had, and after seeing my husband is already down, and me too, I was dashing down to save my life.
Second question. By the time you were taken to the hospital with your children who survived, did you realize that your husband and other children had already died or not?
Mukaseera tebakutwalira mu idwaliro waliwo omaze okitegeera nti musaada wo n'abaana abo abantu baba bamaze okufa waliwo kitegeere.
Sebo nali kitegeire kuba nagezaako n'okusika kuba n'abagwire y'endiisa esengema ku mitima ayi baali bazito nga tebalizeera ate n'omwana ng'ono derika ebudde yansike nga lunika kisaakye ati maama otafa baba afwire.
Me, I realized because at that time I saw them down and I tried to pull one of the child who was close to me to see that she can come to me, but they were heavy. And when I tried to place my hand at the heart side, they were not breathing. And one of my daughter, sat here, was pulling my hand that mom, not die, but already the dad is already dead.
That's what I thought.
You said that you saw someone who was dressed in black and had covered his face. How did you know that it was a report?
Okobye kooti nti wabala omuntu eyingira nga yebiikirye face nga yambirira birugavu yewategeera otya byali bivubukalobati.
Sabaze okubonga obwanjo bwankoba yokuva eyemeere bibivumbuka neyewerera famire yabuyinza mudaasi kubanga ole yakoba ateeka mugiyitisa amasasi.
My mind or my brain gave it to me according to the instances earlier that must be Robert because he was always saying that our family or my family must be killed by police.
Madam, I have just 3 questions. And the one says, how old was the Mudasi?
Court official was emyaka emeka omusaala oli alina Mudasi?
Mudasi alina emyaka 38.
He was 38 years old.
The second one is, since you stay in marriage, how long have you known about these wrangles?
Bwibanga olomaze mu bufumbo bwo okutegeera entalo lino wali wakalitegeera ibanga ki era wali olitegeera kyenkanawo?
Myaka 9 akamalaawo naye nakategeera entalo daabwe.
I knew about their wrangles for the period that I had spent in that marriage.
How many years?
Myaka emeka? 14 years.
The last one. How many acres did the Mudasi get and how many acres did the Papi get? That was about the wrangles.
Mukutegeerako eka zimekedde eitaka musaada buli yali afuna era eka zimeka edda eitaka ttaka wa Patrick yali afuna.
Sebo eyiika diweleeta 5 eka wa Patrick bamwe eyiika daali 2.
ng'embako bifa tuli eno era tubasaba okutuwa abatuwa ku maadi era abagulira ku kyemisana n'abatuwa ku mafuta bambi tuyisaamuku amaani tona okujja mu maiso nga tuleeta emboozi dino. Nze ni tiimu yange tuli eno nga mbakobya bakali ku subscribing, please go ahead and subscribe, like and share our videos. Oluuyi oluwagabi lwategeeza nti tulina abajulizi 20 lwategeeza kooti tulina abajulizi 20 bebali kujja okuleeta bambi okulumika omujasi n'abenganda be nti naava akuba amasasi era nga naabayita abantu 5 era nga bambi sobola okuba wendogera ano nga twakafunako obujulizi okuva mu bantu 6. So kino kiraga nti tukaali eno kuba ekabula ya abantu nga 14 ebula ya abajulizi nga 14 era kyeni tibabona oba oli awo baida kuwaayo. So wabulanga embeera neyo wabulanga embeera ekaali ndikaikamu abantu babulidde bakali bayikaikamu bali kuwuliza ebiri kujja mu maiso. Awandi bayinogogamu nga kibagemyeku, abandi bakuba ku ndulu nga bali kubanoona bityo bambi.